Business knowledge, all you need to know about business. Today we will learn how to make a water-resistant furniture varnish. So let's start the video and establish the quantity of material required to make water-resistant furniture varnish. What is water-resistant furniture varnish? Varnish is a waterproof coat that is usually transparent and forms a protective layer when applied to wood and other materials. The combination of resin, solvent and drying oil found in varnish allows it to dry hard, producing a scratch-resistant shell that protects the material from water. We will talk about its raw material and we'll know what is the use of that raw material. Modified phenolic resin is the vacuum-treated product of esterification of glycerol, or pentaerythritol, with the polycondensate of rosin, phenol, or bisphenol A, and formaldehyde. It is soluble in tar, ester, turpentine oil and similar solvents. Maleic resins are hard, oxidation-stable resins and improve wetting, adhesion and gloss. Alcohol and ester-soluble maleic resins are used in flexo inks, NC lacquers, inks and jet inks. As hard resins in oil lacquers, benzol-soluble maleic resins also improve scratch resistance. Linseed stand oil. A clear indication of aging oil or poorer oil quality is the increase in the peroxide number. Nevertheless, linseed oil varnish can be produced from raw linseed oil, which is used both as a clear varnish and in highly filled systems. Linseed oil varnish as a natural wood protection has been used for many decades. Mineral turpentine oil. MTO is used as an extraction solvent, as a cleaning solvent, as a degreasing solvent and as a solvent in aerosols, paints, wood preservatives, lacquers, varnishes, and asphalt products. MTO is mainly used as raw material for paints, varnishes. Cobalt naphthenate is a mixture of cobalt, two derivatives of naphthenic acids. Cobalt naphthenate is commonly used in various catalysts and catalytic reagents for organic sythesis. It is also used as a paint and varnish drier, and for bonding rubber to steel and other metals. Pine oil. As with other essential oils, pine has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Pine scents and oil extracts are also abundant in everyday items. These include floor and furniture cleaners, as well as disinfectants and air fresheners. Let's establish the quantity of raw material to make 100 kg of water-resistant furniture varnish. Modified phenolics resin 40 kg, maleic resin 10 kg, linseed stand oil 14 kg, mineral turpentine oil, MTO, 30 kg, cobalt naphthenate 0.5 kg, pine oil 5 kg. Please comment us and let us which other products and chemicals you want to know about, so we do workouts in that. I hope that the information given to you in the video will be useful. In future you will be able to start your own. Thanks for watching the video.